This is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and today we are here for Mask Monday. We are going to do a facial mask. This was sent to me by My Nails by Jonna. This is a mistletoe sheet mask. I've never done a sheet mask before, so this is going to be new for me. I'm really excited. I'm assuming these things are delicate to unfold. It's very juicy. Ooh, very juicy. Oh, this is very liquidy. Maybe I should have had some paper towel out first. Trying to unfold. Now it says to clean and dry your face thoroughly, to avoid the eyes and the lips. Oh, look at it. So here we go. We're going to dive right in. Makes me feel like a mummy. This is all so new to me. Also new. Just want to make sure it's not folded. Okay, let's start again. Oh look, it's got the bow at the top. This is too cute. Watch the eyes, and I do need to watch mine because I have had surgery on them in the last few years for glaucoma, cataracts. This is so funny. You look like a mummy. Oh boy. Definitely gotta watch my eyeballs. And I have a mask to put over this. Oh yeah, definitely gotta watch the lips. Yuck. Yuck, 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 yuck. Okay. Now, Leslie Hillbilly's Creativity sent me the Michael Myers mask. Yeah, this is really juicy around the eyes. Way too juicy. Especially the left eye, this one here. So we're going to apply this on, or put this on. And I'm claustrophobic, so I don't know how long I'm going to be able to wear this. Okay, we are on. Well, this is tight. We're on, and it says to wait for 10-15 minutes and to remove. So in 10 or 15 minutes we will return. Alright, I'm coming back now because this thing is starting to slide off down into my eyes, and it's almost 20 minutes. Woo! Woo! Wipe this over my hands. Get some extra nourishment there. Watch that my doggy don't get that. I'm going to massage. Lightly get your smile lines, your neck area. Yeah. So there we go. There is my first real Mask Monday. You have now seen the face behind the nails, and we did it. Us and our Michael Myers mask. Leslie, I thank you so much for inviting me to do this, for sending me the Michael Myers mask to have a complete. So yeah, this was our first Mask Monday. Last time I did a cuticle wrap. I am going to be having some work done, some dental work done here soon, which means I won't be showing my face. So I'm going to try to film a couple ahead of time, or that I will be doing I'm having a brain fart. I got the cuticle wrap. I have a Aveeno repairing hand mask. Got that I think at Walmart. This was like $3. This was a gift. Most of the ones the masks I got at Walmart, which they're $3, $3 there versus $1 at the Dollar Tree, $1.25, $1.33 out the door. Here is a feet mask. Can't do that in camera because I know you don't want to see my big feet up here. But then there's this one, the thirsty hands. Cannot wait to try this one. The rest of mine are all for face, so we'll see in the coming weeks what comes about, depending on what happens to me at the dentist. I'm gonna hang this up to dry, don't I? Okay, well, we are at our end of our first Mask Monday. Hope you all enjoyed. Fix my eyebrows. Hope you have enjoyed. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. As always, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. Have a blessed day, and thank you.